Let's see. Oof. There we go. I think it works. Yeah. Nice. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. All right. So, basically, boys, what we're doing today, guys, girls, everybody who will be here for the stream is we're just gonna chill. We're just gonna sit back. We're just gonna have a good time. I'm gonna try to get you guys into the world that I am currently in because I haven't had much time for cross out and for general video uploads lately. So instead, what I want to take you on is a journey into what I am doing right now, with all of the different stuff that happens in my life at the moment. Whoops, I'm jumping through stuff here that I shouldn't. So that is all good. Let's see. 3 chromosomes. Welcome to the stream. Gioka619. Welcome to the stream, man. Says I love you. Love you too, guys. Thank you so much for joining into the stream. French Toad, welcome, man. Right, so we have a few different things on the menu today. Should we just start at what the goal is with this thing and where we are right now? So basically, what this thing is all about, all this fuss is about, is stream don't work for me anyway. Phone connection, oh that sucks. Well, basically, what this entire thing is about is that I do a course right now in my bachelor's that is called Creative Technology, and in this we are creating games. That is the main point of it, and that is really really cool. Jesus Christ, Neil, can you just not start my streams all the time with that stuff? Bro, you are absolutely insane, man. Thank you so much for that too. Canadian dollar dono or a super chat, should I say. Thank you so much, man. Really really appreciate it. Fucking amazing. What a start. Okay, so basically what we are trying to do here is we're trying to create a game. For my game exam, we have to hand in like a full-on game. It's gonna be like a tiny horror maze, not horror because it's like supposed to be child friendly and all that stuff, but just a fun little game that will take you through a journey of trying to make it through this haunted house, which will be haunted when we get all of the props and stuff in here. Basically what we have right now is just that I set up all of the running scripts. I try to just set up the environment and everything, and we have a door that will kill you if you open it. Bam, there you go. Boom, we lost a life. Awesome. So that is where we are right now. I just quickly did some pre-work here in order to just try to get all of these go away, to make all of these doors ready, because we're gonna do a bit with them. We're gonna copy these colliders and we are gonna add them over here if we can actually do that. We need the sphere collider, and can we actually just, yeah we can. Nice. So we can remove this component. Now does this sphere collider sit at the right place? Nope, it does indeed not, which is great. So we have to just center that, and we have to skew it just a little bit. Let's see what we set it at over here, 0.95. So that should actually be, oh, that's because the rotation. So if I am not, that's actually a bit off. Now that we speaking of it, whoops, 0.95. So I need to stop deleting everything and just go for like maybe 80, 75, 70 actually looks pretty centered. That's nice. I like that. Oh my god, suggestions coming in already. Let's see. Add a spooky couch which just kills you the second you touch it and follow you around. That's actually quite funny. Could you have a monster come out of the door and grab him? Yep, that is actually the exact thing that we're gonna do. Just gonna create like a sort of, let me just show you what we actually want to do here. If we just go and parent this, whoa, if we just go ahead and smack a sphere into right here, then this should, look at this, 3 chromosomes. I got a golden history. All right, I'll get my dude. because now look, bam, the sphere pops out with it. So basically we're going to have a ghost here that comes out. We're probably not going to have the time to actually animate that ghost, but what you're going to see is that a ghost, bam, pops out, and we're going to have some creepy lightning and everything. You see already, if we just, you know, go just turn the intensity of this lightning, there we go, already goes down by quite a lot. We can go into the we can go into somewhere here, maybe. Now IMS, yep, lightning settings. So for the skybox material, you know, we can just, like, if we go for none, then it starts getting really creepy. And the ambient color, like, we can get it really, really dark. And what we want to do then with the darkness here is that we want to go ahead and, you know, for example, just again, stop opening up. If we take a light, we can take something like a, let's go for a point light here. Let's move that up a little bit. Now you see, if we then install the point light right here and we give it like a red color, bam, then you'll have this really creepy house, which is like fairly bright in here still for some reason, but we want it to look like mildly dark and creepy, and then bam, there's a red light. You want to check out where the red light is, but it kills you, which is nice. Velo, welcome to the stream, man. And Rinsey Cat, welcome to the stream. Butt Kicker says, oh, a game by TB. This is going to be interesting. It's in here for a game. Guys, you can have the game for free once it's done. I'll release it if anyone wants to try it, just for the heck of it. Let's see. Let's give it a bit more intensity. It's actually quite bright here still. I don't really like that. Didn't I save the lightning settings? Oh wait, let me see. This is where my skills get put to the test. Why does it say HDR there all of a sudden? I literally have no clue. But for now, let's just bring back the sky box. Sun source is fine. Ambient color, let's just get that from the skybox. There we go, everything is back to normal. Nice, we can even turn on the directional light again. There we go, just keep things bright while we actually do stuff, so that's nice. Monkey plane, what the fuck? Oh well, what were we doing? We were doing this. We were throwing colliders on this stuff. So I'm guessing what we just want to do now with this one is that we just want to go ahead and do it on the C-axis. So that was what, minus 0.75. All right, we just want to have 0.75 then. Nice. And what other doors do we have? We have this one too. Do we not have a spherical light on that? We don't have a spherical light on this either. So if we now go ahead and copy component and go in here and just say paste component as new, then I don't see a spherical either. Oh, I do, but it is fucking massive. Why is it so big? It's literally huge. And moves way different from all the rest of them. Maybe I should actually have gone for this box collider, but we're not gonna bother about that just yet. We should go for the box collider. Let's remove this component. Let's go grab a box collider. There we go. Nice. Let's see, are you big as shit as well? Did I apply it to the door instead? Nope, I didn't. It's just acting out. That is the resize of everything. Size 0.5. And we also want to center this just, whoops, 0.2. Nice, looks great. So let me show you what we're doing right now, just to give you an idea of what we're actually doing. Let's get the mammoth over in here. Exactly. Let's see. 0.34. There we go. That's about the size of a door. Maybe just give this 5. Wow. 0.6. And let's give this 1.5. 6, 7, 8. Let's give it 2. Let's give it 3. Let's give it 4. Ooh, lovely. All right, so we have a box collider here. And then we can actually go to project here, and we can go to our scripts, our environment, and we should be able to drop that on the door here. And there we go, the door script. Let's just see. I don't think we need a detector type on it. Let's just run to the door and see what happens. So it should be this door, right? Absolutely nothing. And you want to know why? Because it's not a trigger. So let's do that again. Anim set trigger open door. I fucked this up big time because I tried to copy too much stuff. See, and this is where I'm such an idiot because I do that. And I need to learn to not do that. But I always try to skip, you know, where it's the easiest for me to skip stuff. So I just do that. Nope, we cannot use that. Nope. Let's look at what happens here. So what should happen? We have the animator. Yep. So at the start, when the script like executes, goes to the get component, it gets the animator, and then on trigger enter, it sets the trigger to open door, which should happen from the animator, but it just doesn't happen. And trust me, I'm literally fucking retarded. What's it called? Programmer, and I'm so bad at it that
Let me show you why
we're gonna use a lot of tutorials here. Okay, that's how we're gonna do it.
I added this method. I'm going to select my door, window, animation, and over here,
let's just check the animation if it's all right. You know what we're gonna do? Even better, we're gonna create a new animation just for this. So let's just window animator animation. Nice. Door. And let's see. We want to animate this in door. Okay. Just gonna zoom. The animation is right here. Oh shit. That's why you don't copy those animations, because the animation is actually right now locked to a position, I think. Do I have to create? Nah, that can't be true. We don't have to cut, because look at what happens. The reason that happened is because we're running this animation. Do I have to create an animation for each object? But fuck that. Yep, I know. Let's just clear this for now, and let's just try to fix this. The hot canvas can go away for now. The main camera can go away for now. We don't want to be disturbed by those all the time. Nice. You can stop unfolding. We have the door here. Okay, we have a door here. Yes, we do. Nice. So what we want to go ahead and do is, do we have the animator on it right now? We do, but we need a new animation for it. Project animation. Can we make a new animation? Let's just do it like this, because then we'll just do it the hard way, because I'm an idiot and I already told you guys that. Okay, we gotta clear this animation as well. That one, none. Nice. Create. Oh, right, that's how we have to do it. Yes, there we go. 1 sec. Sick. All right, we're ready. So we want to add a property here. We want to go for a transform and a rotation, and we definitely have the wrong one selected right now. Add property, rotation. All right, so rotation around the y-axis. We actually, oh shit, we removed all of them. That was not what I meant to do. Nice. I thought we could actually just, you know, and if we then go halfway here, there we go, rotation, that's it, that's a 110. Nice. So now, yes, this is just what we want. Amazing. But what the shit balls is going on here? Rinse just dropping a 5 euro super chat. What the fuck? I just want to sit here and do my games, and you guys fucking super chat and everything. What the shit? Rinsey, thank you so much, man. Wow. Really appreciate it. Let's see. Do we actually want it to open the other way? I feel like we do. Wait a minute. Did I ruin the animation? I ruined the animation. I'm an idiot. Sorry about that. There we go. And select that. And then what if we go for like minus 110? Minus 100. I like 100 better. That looks mildly better. Okay, nice. So we got that going. Beautiful. Rinser, you are a fucking madman. Thank you so much. And then if we go down here and we go for another public void, but on trigger. Oh, the door is gonna slam like quickly then. And then we go for exit this time. Because now we have, let's just delete this too. Nice. So now we have the door garage here, which is nice. You know what I actually want to do, because there's a guy in here who created a really nice one where we can interact with the door. And I quite like that idea actually. What I do not know is how you actually interact with it, because it's like he can, oh yeah, he does this weird trigger. We're not going to do that. No. Let's listen to our Indian friend here.
Animation controller on my door over here. What I'm going to do is Unity created an animation controller and put that animation controller on my door over here. And as you can see in my animation controller, there is an animation for door, which is over here.
No, that's 3ds Max. This is Unity. And we need a animation controller for the door garage. There we go. Oh my, I'm out of. Fuck this up. I'm forgetting how to do this. Door, yes. So we need to create a statement which is let me see if I can actually remember this. Because yeah, look at this. Bam, and then we want to make a transition to that one, which we do with, we need a new condition that is open door, and we need a condition that is no. Nice. So door garage, yes, door garage. There we go. Do we have the open door? Oh my, what am I doing? Parameters. Can we add a parameter? Nope, we have to go in here. List is empty. Trigger open door, and then what's going on? Why is my door garage like, oh whoops, delete that one. Parameters open door. Nice. So if we go to this one now, then we can set this condition as open door. Beautiful. Then we also have to make a transition back to here, which is nice, just to sort of show that it closes. All right, so now we'll look for open door. Anim set trigger open door. Yes, beautiful. Have I forgot anything? I probably have, but for now, let's just see what happens when we have the animated controller, which is this door garage. We have a trigger on it. You ready to see this? Nothing. I'm blaming the door. Looks good. Should be good. Do we have anything else here? No, we don't. So why are you not working? Well, that is very... Door untriggered. Operand reference not set to a reference of an object. Well, you should be. Maybe you shouldn't be a public. Maybe you should just be a void. Oh, wait. We forgot to set something on the door here, probably. No, we didn't. Maybe. Do we have anything else on here? No, we don't. Door. Line 19 on trigger. Exit. It's not done yet, which we also need to do, of course. Let's say that. Oh, I also didn't really save this script at any point, so it might also have something to do with it. Unity is weird like that. So let's see. Fuck. Now I can just walk through you. We're getting a lot of... The door itself has no collider at all. How about this door? Do you have any sort of collider? You don't. I'm doing something wrong here. What am I doing wrong? Maybe we should just go watch the tutorial. Door garage. Something is wrong with that script. Okay. Did I not? I put the door script onto here. I did that. Yes. Nice. Okay, let's watch this.
That I'm going to create right now. The animation is recording form. One is position and one is rotation. In the middle, the dope sheet behavior. I'm going to create a new nothing. Right click on my empty state and I'm going to do it.
How in God's name did you come up with the idea to stream this, by the way? Because I
set as layer default state, and
kind of bored and I want to learn with you guys.
I'm going to make a transition,
and I want to show you what I'm spending my time on right now.
And at this point, I need a trigger. I'm going to create a trigger. I'm going to name it open door.
Yes.
And over here, I'm going to set my condition open door. Nothing. I need to test the application. As you can see now, my door is not opening. Why? Nope. Because my first state is do nothing. I need to trigger this condition so that the animation will go in the next state. I'm going to create a new C# script, door script. I'm going to drag and drop this script on the door game object. Double click to open in Visual Studio. Now the animation will go in on trigger enter and another is on trigger exit. Let's go back in Visual Studio. Let's set the trigger on our door. Add component and I'm going to add sphere collider on my door. Trigger check. Now
we did that too.
When my player come closer to this area,
Alpha
this
Chat,
method
welcome to
will
stream.
call on trigger enter, and when my player exit from this area, this method will call on, and in the start and in on trigger enter, let's trigger this condition open door.
It might be because we can have multiple triggers with the same name, so let's just make sure about that, because it is also the line that is sort of being complained about. So let's clear this. Let's go to animations. Let's go to Google Door Garage. Let's go to parameters. Open G door, because that would be garage door. Parameters. Go to this statement right here. Open G door. Yes, please. And then you go here. Let's save that. Let's go in here and let's see open G door, save, go back into Unity, console. This should be all right, but let's just see what happens when we play the game. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Door on trigger enter. Unity engine collider other. Is it the actual collider that is messing with us? No, because if it was the collider, then it wouldn't. It's still this.
By anim.setTrigger open door. Now let's test the application first. My player is going closer to the door, and as you can see, the door is opening and closing. Let's go back in the script, and over here I'm going to add a method pause animation event. You can name anything you want, but for this, name as it is.
Thank you, come again.
Let me show you why I added this method. I'm going to select my door, window, animation, and over here when my door opens,
This is going to be horrible too, because then this is going to create so many scripts. We're going to have to do like a script. Wait a minute. One sec. My door keeps ninja opening, which is not good. So the door garage is run in here. Yes. This goes from doing nothing to do this transition to open the G door. The open G door, that's me, is linked to this on trigger enter collider. What other statements can we have here? Yeah, exactly. It's so terrible, you know. Should I just start this all over? Let's see. Because we have the door here, yes, that's what we want. And we could do this in the game manager, I'm thinking. Alright, let's do something else. Case, trigger type, door. Trigger, switch, trigger, yes. Ghost door. Start coroutine. Nope, that has nothing to do with this. This ghost door script is on the door, and what happens here is that it actually frustrates me so much that this ain't working. It should work. This is getting the animator. Yep. Let's see what happens. Let's just do a print word for fuck's sake. Here. Save this. Never warning. Field door enemies never assigned to and won't have a default value. Yes. It's also getting the this door has an animator. This door has an animator. Get animator. Alright, let's see when we run into the box collider here. Does it print anything? It prints work, for fuck's sake. Good. So we definitely have a hole through here. So what we need now is just open G door. Good. So now, don't give me that bullshit because this trigger works, okay? Animator, animator. Nice. Let's do this all the way from the bottom up. You know what? Let's just fuck it. Get rid of everything. There we go. Garage door, remove. Garage door, remove. Scripts, environment, door, remove. Yes. It's gonna be horrible, and I'm gonna get a terrible grade for this. But what we should do is we should grab this, and then we should say window animation. There we go. Create an animation. Garage door. And then add a property. Rotation. Yes. Rotation on the Y scale. Whoops, that is not what we want. We want to go to here, and we're going to go there, and rotation to... Oh, and now you rotate that way. That makes perfect sense. To 100. Nice. So, door is animated. Do we agree? Yes. Thank you. Nice. And, yep. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Beautiful. Awesome. Animation. Working. There we go. Door. Did I just... I think I did. So this is the animator controller. Rename this to garage door. Awesome. So let's try this. Garage door. Create state. New state. Wait. Does he...
I'm going to add an event. I'm going to select this event, and from here I'm going to door. I'm going to C# script.
Oh wait, he's...
My door is...
Oh, his parent statement is like do nothing. That's his entry state. I wonder if that was the issue. So this one is door open G door. Then we need a parameter, a trigger. We need a open G door. Fuck. Door. There we go. This one, then we're gonna make a transition up to there. On this transition, we are gonna have a trigger, which is open G door. Nice. And then we're gonna have a transition from there to there. Awesome. So what this does now is default state is do nothing. Bam. Trigger condition open G door. Door opens. You can clearly see that. Door goes back to normal state. Nice. So now that we have that, we're gonna go to our scripts. We're gonna go into environments, and we have the garage door. We're gonna open the garage door. We're gonna delete all of this. And we want to grab the animator. Just gonna call that anim. And then we're gonna go for a void start. Not a private stop auto finishing my sentences. Anim. Get component. And you want to get the animator, okay? Yes, please. Nice. Haha. And we want to get some brackets there at the end. Awesome. And then what we want to do is we want to go down here. Please don't also finish my sentence. On trigger, enter. Fucking don't finish my sentences. There we go. Nice. We should keep this somewhat family friendly. What programming language I need for Unity? You will need C#. Rinse. Fuck's sake. Set. It needs to stop also finishing my sentence. Oh shit. Anim. Yeah. Anim. Set trigger to open G door. Oh shit, I hit control save a bit too many times. I think you can actually use multiple languages for it, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, the script is missing because I removed it because it was shitty. Garage door. Go. console. Garage door enemies not assigned to models of default null value. No, you will not. Fuck. Garage door. Door. Garage door. You. Are you used in here? I feel like this animation is not really used anywhere. No, it is. Look. Garage door. Animation. Let's do it again. Let's just clear this. Well, the door is working. Whoops. Did I put the script on there at all? I don't think I did. I did. Garage door, yes. And it does have a collider too. So, object reference is not good. Oh wait, whoops. I wrote the wrong thing. There we go. Mucho better. Oh, the reference script unknown is missing behavior. No, you're not. Stop spazzing out, door. Wait, it actually stopped there for a second. So it is detecting something, but let's just clear all of this. All right, no errors. And it stops for a brief moment. Okay, so this is due to something in our animator. Oh my god, this is terrible. So there you go. Is it because this one is maybe the do nothing motion should have? There we go. I guess. Let's try to save this. All right. It's working. I mean, now it's, as long as we're inside of the collider, then it actually does that. Wow. We did it. All right, nice. So now we need the, whoops. Now we need the void on trigger enter. And the codes can be weird like that sometimes, where it's just, you know, spazzes out for no fucking reason whatsoever. On trigger exit. And I guess that was one of those times, probably. We actually don't even need this statement inside of our garage door, but it's all good. Fuck off, void. Great.
Not
Says.
I'm going to enable
Pause animation event. Nice. So what we need to do now is, because we want to pause this animation, and the way that we do this is we go to the garage door animation again. There we go. Nice. And we go to here and we insert a pause. Then it will pause if whenever we call this pause in our script, then the animation will actually pause at that. So pause animation event is just void pause animation event.
enabled my animation.
Yep. And we gotta give those. There we go. And give that. And animation enabled equals false. And that should be the full script. So now, when I walk into this, as long as we stay inside the trigger, the animation is paused. This is not a paused animation. Door animation event has no function name specified. Animation event. Yep. It probably does not.
Animation false, and on trigger exit I'm going to anim.enables to true like enabled my animation. Let's see the result. The door didn't close. Why? Let's see. Transition.
Do I have to get the
You can.
the
I'm going
pause
to
and
select
name?
my door, window, animation, and over here, when my door opens,
Yes.
I'm going to add an event.
Yes.
I'm going to select this event, and from here, I'm going to select my.
Oh shit, that's true. That's what I forgot. I gotta stop rushing things. Wait. Why does this look like that? But mine looks like this. I'm very confused. Can I just like delete? Maybe I just have to write it. Pause animation. Event. Oh yeah, true. It actually just has to be like this. So I think there we go. Oh no, this is an issue that I've actually had before, and it is so fucking dreadful. Um, the way that it just does this sometimes. I actually kind of want to go into here and then just speed. Can I say 0.5 and then it will be slower? I hope so. Don't want it to open up that quickly. Yeah. But then the collider is messing with us a bit, and it sort of detects us to go in and out like 2 times, which is a bit annoying. And ideally we want to fix this, but I literally have no clue how to do so. So that is what it is right now. We probably just want to go for like a little bit of a bigger collider here. Save this. I mean, we made progress here already. Will you shut? Will you not do that at least? Nice. And then if we go into here and we select like this one and we say has exit time, transition needs at least one to be valid, otherwise it will be ignored. Damn it, stop doing that. It's a thing with the collider. If you enter it like on the verge of it in a weird way, you can glitch out the door, and I literally have no clue how to fix that, so we're not gonna even fucking try doing that right now, okay? Maybe if we set this to has exit time. Fuck you, door. Nah, it's good enough for now. It's good enough for now. What I really want to know now, though, is if I then go in here and I, sort of just fucking put this onto some other door that also has like, fucking colliders and shit. There we go. And we copy this component and we go to this door here and we say paste component as new. Then it looks super fucking weird, which is not good. Like yeah, just go for like fucking 4 whatever. You are like 0.1. Nice. Center this to 0. Yep, that looks fine. 1. And then let's try to not make this so awkwardly big. 2.4, and I don't know why these Exactly. Get those doors out of my face, god damn it. Size. Do we just go for 2? And watch me now here make the same mistake again, because now I'm gonna throw on the garage door to this one, and it has an animated. Yes, it does. So I go to the animation and I actually select this and I actually put on the garage door animation. But watch what happens now. It will probably transform the position as well because I'm so bad at this. Okay, it didn't. Did this door down here open? Oh my goodness. All right. Wait, I think I did it. I think I actually did what I was supposed to do. I did. Oh my god. Blech. Yeah, that works. Nice. The only thing is that we also really need this door to have a collider. That's just a regular box collider. Nice. And we need this door to have a regular box collider. Add component box collider. Nice. There you go. Add component box collider. Add component box collider. This has a box. This does not have a box collider, but it do now. Oh, but that does that box collider move? So it's just so that, look, bam, we can no longer run in through the door, which is like pretty fucking nice. To be quite honest, because it's, some people would probably tell me that it's pretty unrealistic, you know, to run straight through a door, but I don't think so personally. But there's some people who's like, oh no, you can't do that, you can't run through a door, but like we can do whatever. Bam, kills you because there's a spooky ghost in there. Perfect. We're doing progress here. Nice, I like that. Door, do we have anything on here right now? No, we don't really. We have an animator which has the wrong animation, but we can go for the garage door. There we go. And then we can take the script and we can take the environment and we can take the garage door script and throw right on there. Awesome. All we really have to do now is just go in here and fully just steal this box collider. Stop unfolding. Go to this door and go to right here and paste component as new. What the fuck? I like how all of them are just acting up and just being so fucking weird. I can't really tell why, but they just are. Oh shit, that was the size. I was not supposed to change the size. 1. 3. Yeah, I like that. 1. Minus 0.2. Nice. 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. 3.5. Pretty good, pretty good. Nope, no, that is not. Minus 0.2, 3. I like that. Run fast enough. We should make a door that just breaks when you run into it. And bada bing, bada boom. We have another door that opens. And this one doesn't because it's a locked door, because it's the parents' bedroom and you know, you don't go in there. Bam, open up this door as well. This is coming together nicely, and I really appreciate that because I hate doing these script thingies. Awesome. So this is what we need for now. What I actually kind of want to do now is I really want to get rid of this and create some actual floors, because what we basically need is some floors that will kill you. Yes. Can we just make like another empty and rename this floor and grab this and put that right there? Nice. And call this the hallway, because most of them don't really need a function, but one of them do need a function, and it is very important that that said function is working properly, because that is some floors made of lava we're going to create, and that is going to be really nice. Gonna look so juicy once it's done. Let's see, scale this just a little bit. Oof, that is looking dirty. That is some carpenting for you right there, guys. It seems like this floor needs to expand just a little bit. There we go. Then we can actually see like when it is high enough, which is right about here, I think. That likes to be high enough. Do we have any edges that clips? No. This is looking so good. Nice. Okay. So now you can open the door and bam, you just drop to your death. We don't want that. Actually, what we really want to do is we want to create another plane. Yes, sir. And we want to move that in here. Let's just see what is the position of the y-axis here. So that is minus 0.99. The reason that we want to use that is because then we can just, you know, expand this. No. And fucking expand it even more. Because now we gotta make this fit, and this is very important that this fits perfectly, because as I said, we're gonna make this as sort of a script that will just, or an area that would just like fucking kill you. So, oh no, when we use plane, it's a 2D. That should be alright, actually. I think. Let's just see. Boop, boop, boop. He's running a bit too fast, by the way. He's not supposed to run this fast, indeed. Oof, I do not like that. And as a matter of fact, I actually don't really like this, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and just duplicate this layer, and then I'm just gonna rescale it, because then it will fit perfectly. I also want to expand this just a little bit more this way. Bam. I don't want it to go through. That is what I want. I just want it to be like, yep, this is perfect. Did I just rotate it? No, I didn't. Nice. And as I said, I do not want this to sort of, you know, be a pain in the ass, basically, because it's going to be a flaw that will kill you. So if you by any means will glitch, like we'll step on this on the other side of the room, then you're going to be messed up. You're going to have a bad day, and you don't want that. But this looks fairly good. Now we just have to adjust the length of it. Nice. No. Let's do this. Awesome. And if we just quickly then we will see that this transition right here is not like really perfect, but it's almost perfect. So what we want to do is just move this slightly bit more, and we have a nice looking transition. What we then want is we want a different color in here, and we want to rename this to like Praven Room, because our character is named Praven, because that's a lovely name. Oh shit, wait, we want to, bam, go to materials, there we go, and we want to create like we want to create a new material. There we go. And what we basically want to go for here is lava floor, and we want to rename this to Praven floor, actually, because that's a tag of this thing. Let's just make this red because it's dangerous. So you cannot hit that. There we go. Nice. And then we're gonna go back to our scripts. We're gonna go to our environments, and we're gonna create a new script, which is called Floor Praven. There we go. Lovely. And then we want to go to the game manager, and the game manager basically takes care of all the things in the game, and that is not a lot right now because I'm not very good at this. But basically what we want to go for is we're gonna go for a Praven floor as a tag, and once you get to that tag, you know, you want this to print, and we want this, yep, to print, and we want the tag that it's looking for to be Praven floor. Fucking ouch. There we go. So I'm like 99% sure that this will not detect anything yet, but I just want to see if it's actually been recognized, or if how we get to the fact that it actually recognizes it as a tag, because I don't really remember. Let's see. Oh my god, there is so many, like, properties GUI is being called, because if you want to render the default GUI shader properties and call instead of Unity edit to application internal. I'm not calling any of this. Why do you say that? All of this is old, so let's just clear this and see what happens when we play this. Most recent. Okay. You say absolutely nothing. Well, that's a good start. Nice. Okay, so we want this floor to just be like, you die if you go there. So project, let's see, environment, floor Praven. That is very good. Floor Praven. Ghost store script. What we want to get is, we want to start off. Hello, Siba. We want to start off with the serialized fields here: detector type, trigger type, floor. No. Praven floor. Nice. I want to save this. I want to see. This has the right detector, which is awesome. Let's see what happens when I step on this now. Will it detect it as being Praven floor? Oh wait, am I even supposed to see that in here? I don't know. Well, yeah, it actually should, because in here, but that doesn't matter because we haven't set an instance for it to actually go there. So what we needed to do now is that we go to this script right here, and we say, first of all, we get really rid of this. And maybe we need these pragma warning disable 649, and there we go, and go down, and then we want the void on trigger, enter, collider other, and you finish my sentences again. Game, I'm told you not to do that. And then game manager instance. What do we write then? Player detected. Detected. Tag. Compare tag? No, just player detected, and then detector type. Detector type. And then what it should do now is it should go to a game manager instance thingy. I don't, yeah, you know, player detected, blah blah blah. It's gonna go to this instance, player detected, trigger type, trigger, and then if it finds the trigger Praven floor, then it's gonna print fucking ouch. So let's see if it actually does that. Rincy says, I have one recommendation: make a cross or copycat. Oh, that's Siba, and we can switch to it. I mean, we should do that. I would fucking love to. You must exit play mode. Chill. Right, clear the console. We don't care about those errors right now. Basically, I don't care about them because I don't know what to do about them. Let's see. Please print fucking ouch. It's not a trigger. Fuck! Now it's a trigger, so I dropped straight through it. What are we not doing? Right. Ghost or script. Did I do the on trigger? Oh, because I can't do the on trigger, I don't think. Let me just bring up the because I have a nice little PDF here for me. We made the doors work so far, Fringe, so we actually made some progress, so don't you hate too much, okay? Let's go find the, there we go. And the Maya, no, the game engine design. It's not in here. Fuck, and I just deleted everything. Let's just go bring it up in here then. Let's go for the account. Nope, courses. So basically what we want to do is we want to have this act like a kill floor. So whenever you hit this, you die. A horrible, horrible, tragic death. So you basically want to avoid that by all means. It's fucking ouch. Oh my god, I wish I wasn't so terrible at this. Imagine if I was just good at it. But I mean, I hope you guys are just enjoying to just see me fail. And rename remove the mesh collider component and replace it with a box collider. This thing has a box collider. It's very small. Yep. Okay, nice. So what I'm thinking is that we may need like a second plane here. So what we can do is we can grab a plane actually. Just make that there, and it has a mesh collider right now, so we can add a component, add a box collider to it. And we can actually remove this mesh collider, and we can remove component, and let's see box collider. So, yep. Just on top, nice. Whoa, why did it just... I'm a fucking idiot. Plane. Will you stop being so fucking huge, please? There we go, nice. And we want it not to have... Oh, yeah, true. We have to stop rendering the mesh. That's what we have to do. I forgot that. Wait, I hear something. Oh, yeah, whenever I'm live, Rob, then it's then it doesn't then it doesn't tell me. So fuck's sake, Renzi. Your donations, man, are sick. Thank you so much. Fucking another €2. You're an absolute beast. I don't even deserve it, but you're just doing it anyways. Thank you so much, man. Really, really appreciate it. Don't forget that. We don't need a mesh render, we need a box collider. Let's get rid of that. See if we can see this box collider at all. Yep, it's definitely there. The thing is, we don't want it to be up like too high compared to the floor, because if it is, then we're gonna be kind of fucked. Because if it is too high, then, you know, you just get instantly punished for it. Maybe we can move this just bam out there. Nice. You're draining my phone, Brody. That's what she said. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Alright, so the plane here is nice. There we go. Put you onto there. Please work. Slap it on the table multiple times. Are you printing anything? You're not printing anything. Fucking balls. There we go. Okay, nice. So let's see what we have to do. Fuck, I'm messing around this. There we go. Nice. Okay, so let's see. Go to the script. Ty has its tag set to player. Well, he should have, because I did that a long time ago. He has indeed. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. So what we could do is just trigger type Ghostal. Trigger type. Yes. But we want multiple instances of it. Okay, so what we want to do maybe is untrigger, enter. And then maybe we want to make an if statement. If other compare tag player. And then some curly brackets. Let's just try to print notice me senpai. This will just print when we enter the trigger, and if the tag is player, stop giving me that bullshit, because this is not true. So now when we step on that box collider, it should recognize us, hopefully. And then just like, you know, just, but it fucking does not do that. Why does it not do that? Are we like, oh my god, can I group all of these? Whoops. Let's just create empty here. Let's just move it up here. Let's just call this one, rename to walls. Grab all of these and put those in there so we can, bam. What if we do like that? Size. There we go. So now it's definitely a collider, and it is set to a trigger. So now when we step on it, we should we should, you know, we walk fucking straight into a collider. So if it doesn't, okay, so now it does a lot of things, which it should. It's removing our health even, and I haven't even told it to do that, so that's a great thing. Like, that's a really good thing, but I haven't told it to do that. So I mean, I guess to some extent it's also pretty fucking shitty that it does that, because, oh, you're not supposed to do it. So it prints damage test. Oh, it does it whenever. Shit. Okay, you're not supposed to do it whenever. But again, thank you for doing that. I think what you're actually supposed to do is do it right here. Yep. Oh, no. Friends, you're derating the chat right now. Okay, so it's supposed to hard remove take hard. And the reason that it does this is because we actually have a life system, if you didn't notice. So, like, you know, watch the 3 thingies up there. Okay, we have some stuff up there. When this door opens, bam, you go ahead and lose some life. There you go, you lost some life because you just did. And you lost another life, and now you actually lost all of them. So, you know, you died because you're shit. We got some tag player is not defined because it's not with a capital P, I guess. Hopefully. I don't even have that in here. But let's just, oh, I can just fucking, yeah, it's with a capital P. So we shouldn't get that now, at least. So let's clear this. Okay, we're making progress right now, guys. Look at this. Oh, fuck, I hit the door. Shit. I gotta give that a new collider because that is not optimal. Open this. Notice me, senpai. Fucking ouch. Health script, health remove. So it actually does everything now, which is great. So now we can actually start just fucking removing this again. Notice me, senpai. It does that. So if the tag is a player, then player detected, detect a type, pipe and flaw. Nice. So it should go to player detected, and you know, then it goes to player detected, and it sees the trigger type is pipe and flaw. We can now tell it to not do this print statement, but just remove the hard. But we don't want it to just remove a hard. We actually wanted to start this coroutine as well. So what we do is that we insert the coroutine here, and you gotta go there. Nice. So what happens now is that it actually starts this respawn coroutine, which is this one, and this coroutine does a lot of things. First of all, our player controller, which is what moves our character, is now set to false. So the active is not, it's not active anymore, which means that you cannot move your character anymore. The camera controller is also set to false, so the camera stops moving about. View controller instance fade to black. This is supposed to be so it fades to black on each scene, but that is broken right now, so it does not do that because I'm a fucking idiot and I don't know how to fix it yet. And then you're gonna wait for 2 seconds, and then a new action happens. Player controller instance is gonna transform your position to a respawn position, and the respawn position is given by our respawn point, which is right there. So everything fucking works, which is just absolutely magnificent. Let's get this shit further back. So you respawn at the start of the house whenever you do any stupid shit and you die. So that sets your respawn position too, and the respawn position is given somewhere. Don't ask because I don't remember. Where is the respawn position set? There we go. Public transform respawn position, and this allows us to actually in the game manager set a respawn position to there. See how things just come together? Isn't that nice? To actually be being able to explain something. Camera controller instance is set to enable again. Your controllers are set to enable again. So it all adds up. So let's walk you through what actually happens here. Okay, so you go blah 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 blah. You wanna make it through this shitty haunted house here. You open this door, bam, you see, oh, red floor. I wanna step on this. Don't do that because you die. So all in all, pretty fucking amazing, okay? I kind of want to render this mesh just because I want to like make sure that this is. Wait, the box collider is pretty OP actually. Like you see that? Scale on the y-axis. should be 0.5, 0.5. The only thing that matters is just, but it's just, you know, altogether actually way higher still than the plane itself. So this measurement, it doesn't really help us in any way. What do we do about this? Well, you see, is it actually just like pretty fucking good there? I think it's like almost online with, I have no clue how to make sure that that goes online with it. So what we could maybe do is we could take like the position and the scale of this transform. So if we copy the transform component and apply it to this one, then watch what happens. The fucking collider just became like the biggest thing you have ever seen. So that is pretty good, I suppose. If we set this to 0, this to 0, and this to 0, and one of this to 1, this to 1, and this to 1. What if we just set it all to 0? Then it's like really fucking small, which is not what we want either. But you see, just 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.1 for some reason matches the size. So that also, you know, all in all makes pretty much perfect sense that 0 0.1 is the scale and not 1. By the way, this is not my character that we're going to use for the game. This is just the one that we've used in. So now it says, notice me, senpai, health script. Nope. Yeah, so now the collider is actually too small. So what we want is we just want to grab the collider and we want to be like 0.11, but that makes it like way bigger, I think. Like way taller. Nah, that's actually perfect. 99 bucks, but the Dorian one, exactly. Please kill me. You didn't kill me, motherfuck. Let's see. It might be because it cannot register the hitbox of this guy, because he might be just mildly levitating. Will you fucking just kill me, please? Like, what is wrong with this? Move it up even more. I'm just gonna make the collider the entire room, and then they're just gonna have to deal with it. So you're still not dying, okay? That's childish. But never mind, we're just gonna make it even bigger. I don't care. There we go, he died. Perfect. So another question is now, how small can we make it? 0.5. You better die. Run, Forrest, run. He died. Nice. Now next thingy that we need to check is that I can jump in here and then I don't. Oof. So what kind of thingy do you put here that will like wait, you shouldn't have any script on you. You gotta no, get that out of here. So 3D object, let's make a cube here. Let's fucking not have a cube that size. What are you thinking of, game? Let's rescale this cube. And then what we should be able to do now is, you know, bada bing, bada boom. Let's go put that thingy right here, because we all know, like, we all just have a random cube sitting in front of our room when you enter it. Nothing weird about that. Let's just say that this is a doormat now. Okay, and what you should be able to is you should be able to step onto this doormat and not die. Because as I said, floor is made of lava. Open the door. Step onto this. Do not die. Jump out there. Die. Perfect. So, duplicate that thing. Yes, please. Make this maybe like, bam, this size. Don't tell me that I'm not making any progress here, because we fucking are. Okay. And now, bam, we have a floor of lava game. Easy. Let's see what happens here. Did I give them all colliders? I did think I did. Open up the door. Yep. Oh, we have to jump there, which is gonna be like fucking Mission Impossible because we cannot see anything because of the walls and shit. Maybe Gaijin can teach me how to do a proper script so that things in front of your camera goes away. But it's good because it has to be hard. So this is actually nice. This is just what we want. Maybe then we just, you know, fucking get rid of that. This one there, this one there, you know, bam, bam, duplicate, bam, bam. This guy has a huge room. Bam, bam, bam. We just made a floors made of lava game. We made so much progress. This is so freaking awesome. Nice. I like that. Fuck. This is actually gonna be so hard. But the speed is also terrible on him right now, so let's just put the speed to like 5 or something. Suited the Lancer Cancer. What did you do, man? Keep going. Maybe we just for a second want to disable the fact that you lose so much life whenever you hit, or you have to, so I can sit here and can we sink in this collider just like a little bit and still die? Maybe we also need to make the areas like just a bit. Oh my god. I'm so good at this. Fuck! But it works. That very much works. Now we go to the asset store, and now we're gonna do a lot of cool shit. For fuck's sake. Bit. And we only want the free stuff because I'm not rich. Okay. Free assets. Oh, this looks cool actually. Oh, nice. Let's get this pack. Download. Unity Hub sign in. You know what? Look at my beautiful face then for a second while I sign into my stuff here. Bam, 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 bam. Can I remember my password? Probably not. I remembered. Fucking amazing. Look at my beautiful face here again. There we go. Download. Oof. Downloading. What else do we need? Can we have like a pillow? Because this is the fun stuff. I want free stuff. What does this pack contain? This furniture is like a bit more too realistically looking. We probably want to grab something like this instead. So download that. Can you make a jump on furniture and carpet? Exactly what we're gonna do, bro. Exactly what we're gonna do. Now this is something we need to like tune furniture. I like that. Stop. Download this. So now, how do I actually get these prefabs in? Because now we download them. Assets. I don't know basic shit like that because I'm terrible at this, but I really do enjoy it. Packages? No, definitely not. Assets. Let's see, is it here? No. Unity. Script. Oh shit. Nope. Asset store. Do I have to do anything once I actually downloaded it? Import. We have to import it. Nice. Do you have like a list of stuff that I have downloaded? Oh, look at this. Shit, there's a lot. Import all of it. Give it to me. I hope there's a list of stuff that I downloaded because I already forgot what I actually downloaded. One raid task, complex raid. Take a plane and take it on the way. Oh, by the way, did you guys hear about the game called Raw? All right. Toon furniture, we did import that. Import this too. Come on. Yes, give me everything. You're driving? Where are you driving to? Back home? Or just working? Are you still at work? Then I'm guessing that you're not driving home. Oh, you're a Lancer now. Nice. So I'm definitely seeing things happen here. So let's import the final one here. And we have everything we need. No, you shouldn't be sorry for being a Lancer. It's a strat like everything else. A polygon of toilet is self-intersecting. Whatever. So now, house, walls, and floor. If we duplicate the hallway, this is a nice part about creating games when you just have to sit here and like make the scenes and stuff. That's just like all chill and laid back and everything. So what is the position? That's just 0, so we can just move this up and be like, do this. Boop and boop. And how are we looking? Almost there. We just don't want overlap because that will make it look like really ugly when we give it another texture. But I guess this is all right for now. Are you like sticking far outside? Nope, you're not. So that's pretty good. So let's grab this. Let's extend this. Let's make sure that that is all right. And let's bring the door down to 0 again. And we have a living room. Let's go to materials, which is probably like really full now. Oh, no, it's not because our prefabs. Wait. Oh. It created like prefabs of its own. It's probably the best because there will be a lot if it didn't. So that's all good. Assets, yep, looking good. Materials, let's make another material here. Create material. Let's call this living room. Nice. Let's go for like a lovely light, really light brown flooring in the living room. That's not brown, but I guess it's because it is. Oh, it's like very shiny, that's why. Because it's like it's not metallic, but it's very smooth, that's why. But like we want to make it look like some wooden texture shit, so you know, it's just fucking go for this for now. There we go. We haven't really texturized anything yet because we don't really want to go for that until we are very much far ahead with the game. So bed and bath prefabs. Here we have a bed. That's your mission. You want to get. Oh, that is big. That's a big bed. So what we can do is. No, not that. No. Get me back. Bed. Models. Bed. Scale like 0.5. And then drag out the prefab. That made it a little bit. Holy shit! It's still a big bed. Yeah, let's just go for that. I actually don't know why you skated one. Why you would skate it one way or the other. I'm not 100% sure. What is the right size for this? Like, what are we looking at? Something like this. We don't want a levitating bed either. That would just be weird. Like right about there, I suppose. That's still a pretty fucking huge bed, I guess. But that's actually pretty good. So let's go for 90 here. Holy fucking shit! His room is huge. Like, this is the biggest room I have ever seen. But we don't mind. And then, you know, he's gonna have like, oh my, walls, floor. That's inside of this one. Create empty and call this, rename Prem furniture. And this one should have like colliders, hopefully. I think this just has like a regular collider. Oh, whatever. Hopefully it does. So what we want to go for the dresser and the nightstand. The dresser is like 0.4. The nightstand, apply. Nightstand 0.4. Materials, extract materials. We actually need to do that. I think, unless it already did it. It must have done it already. There we go, nice. So at least these are not as big now. Rotation, 90. They're still huge as shit. There we go. All right, so what we want to make sure is that these are like big enough for him to jump on them without bumping his head on the roof that will be installed later on. So this is like 92. Maybe this is actually just like 80, just to make it look a bit more. No, I told you 80, just to make it like a bit more of a real room. Should he have a lamp on it? Yeah, he probably should. Let's just give him that. That's probably pretty good. Yeah, we just need some room on here so that he can actually jump around on this table still, which is cool. Awesome. So he now has like this bedroom with a lamp, and yeah, there will be a window when I get to actually figure out how to do that. Roblox 2.0. Twitch live stream after school. I'll sub. Gotcha, homie. I will actually stream tomorrow. So do stop by there if you want to come and say hi. Oh, I actually just forgot, like, figured something. We don't have a bathroom in this house. But, you know, I feel like a bathroom is like pretty 2017. No one uses a bathroom anymore. Fuck. I gotta remove the part that kills you until I actually have this figured out and planned. You know, we're just gonna do that quickly. Which will be like one of all of these fucking cubes. Oh shit, true. Let's just remove the is trigger for now so that we don't die when we jump around in there. I'm pretty happy about the outcome of this. This is gonna be great. Yeah, you see that? Bam, you can just jump around in here. Jump around, jump around, jump around, jump around, jump around, and get down. Wait, you do not have a hitbox. You do not have a hitbox either. Well, fuck me sideways. You do not have a hitbox either. For fuck's sake, Rincey. Oh man, really, really appreciate it. Dropping that $2 donation again. Jesus Christ. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. And just, it says a lot of emojis. Frog loves tree burgers. Yes! Exactly. Or Toad. Fuck. Toad loves tree burgers. Shit. Sorry. Okay, watch me be a Gaijin developer. I'm trying to create a hitbox here, so you know. The only logical thing for this thing is to have a hitbox about this size. You see? As you can clearly see from this model, the hitbox has to be right about this size in order to make sense, because, you know, all of this invisible stuff that has nothing to do with the weapon has to be a part of the hitbox. Yeah, but the thing is, I don't know what to do to Rince anymore, because he does that stuff, and then I don't fucking know what to do. Oh man. Stop going out of the collider thingy here. We want that collider to be like pretty precise. We want to drag this out until here and until there. Nice. Component box collider, edit collider, get this up to here as well. Shit. Nightstand, and not a trigger, edit collider. Oh, what would be cool then is that we give the collider, we give a collider to the lamp too, and then when you get to it, it actually turns on. That would be so fucking sick. I think we can actually do that. To the bed, then we want a component here as well. What kind of colliders do we have? Oh, we don't have. Nah. I know very little about colliders, so I don't really know which one is actually the most. I guess the box collider, and then you just fucking clip through the stuff there. I don't really care too much about that right now, to be honest. So what we want to do is we want to drag up the collider to this. It's right there, and drag this one out until it's. Oh shit! I paid for a happy ending massage for you, fucking. Oh my god, you guys are madmen. Whoops. I'm actually surprised that there is 9 people watching this right now. I fully expected 2 people to watch this. Rincey and French, and only because you guys were bored. So all in all, I'm pretty excited about having so many people watching it. So thank you to all who joined. Now see, this is the part where the collider becomes a little bit. Oh wait, what we could do is actually, we could cheese this a little bit. You see, we just add multiple colliders. And so we have like colliders for this, and then we can add a component, add another box collider. Then we can edit this collider, and then we can have it be like pretty wide, and then drag it up and calculate like colliders for this bit of the bed. And there we go. You see? Bam. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Nice. Add another box collider. Edit this collider. Edit this collider. Let's see if we can make it like, whoops. The thing is, I want to make sure that this thing actually messes with the people that plays this game just a little bit. So I want it to be that if you hit that pole right there, then you do indeed. Is the bed levitating? Nope, it's not. It's just the collider that is a bit too far down. So if you hit that pole, then you won't make it onto the bed. I think that's hilarious. Bada boom. There we go. And can I copy component and paste component as new and edit the collider? Drag it over here. Drag this over here. Oh my, this is actually fucking. This is a nice bed. A nice bed with a nice set of colliders. There we go. Now watch this. Oh, Rob, welcome, man. Yeah, you know what we should actually do? Because I need a break from this soon. So you know what we should do? Maybe just go mess about with a little Minecraft stream. And you know, this is working pretty fucking juicy. So, oh, and you can just exactly jump up onto this one. And this one, the lamp does not have a collider right now, which is great. And the bed, and you can like, oof, you can even jump up here. Oh, this works. It's alive. It's fucking alive. You see? All right, guys, let's save the project here. If you're watching this after the stream, I'm just going to say this now. If you're watching this after the stream, maybe you're watching it tomorrow because you see, oh, new Tree Builders video and you don't see cross out. Well, that is pretty fucking weird. I know. Do know that if you like this, let me know because I want to do more of this for you guys if you do actually enjoy the content and if you enjoy what we do here. So, yeah, if you like it, let me know. Drop a comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, maybe about Unity. We'll see about that. But until then, thank you so much for joining the live stream. Bye bye.